just record the fire.
Okay. Hi, y'all.
So this is what not to do when
This
you
is
black.
Jared.
You don't use these type of
First
tongs.
blacksmith job.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's
I'm not-
watch, see what he
I'm not good at
does.
this. I don't have the proper
This is
tools.
his first
And
day on the job.
My railroad
blacksmithing.
spike is buried, and I can't get it out.
Let's check it out.
Yeah, let's,
There it is. I
let's
see
check it
sticking
out.
up.
Hey, you see it? Oh yeah, look, there it is. Now I'm gonna try to grab it. Now this is pretty bad. You know, these tongs are really short.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, don't. Ow! I can't grab it now. Now I legit can't grab it because the stupid log's in the way.
Kick the log out of the way. Oh, you don't have shoes on. Oh, you can't do that. Maybe you should wear shoes instead of flip-flops.
Oh, I can't even.
Jared, the chemistry department would be very disappointed with you.
Oh, the sparks are flying in your face.
I can't even.
Closed-toe shoes.
My eyes burn, dude.
And long
Smoke.
pants.
Ah.
And goggles.
Hey, you should have put it on the other side of the fire, because then you wouldn't have to deal with that.
Jared, would you like me to get you some goggles?
Plastic.
Yeah,
that
please.
snow
That would be
goggles.
nice.
Get that
actually.
thing out of there.
Go get some
I can't.
What are you waiting on?
I can't, me bunyas. I'm trying to
Come
move the
on,
log.
get it, get it.
I can't close these tongs at
Those
all.
are my hot dog tongs.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I almost had it. Oh, I almost had it.
Jared's first blacksmithing job.
Hopefully nobody's waiting on this blacksmith and stuff to be done.
Yeah.
It might take a while.
Okay, I'm just gonna go for it.
Do it. Do it.
I don't care about my hands.
I can't film you because it's too dark. It won't. You won't show up.
I don't really care.
Come on, it's getting too hot. You gotta get it out of there.
The smoke, man.
The smoke, man.
Oh, I'll just sit right here. How about that? Ow! It's, ooh. Oh my gosh!
Can we go further down?
Yeah, it went all the way down. I had it, dude.
I saw that you had it.
I did see that. Oh, God.
Oh, now it's going that way. Now's my chance.
Get it.
Ow!
Well, dude,
Oh my god, dude.
Your goggles.
they're gonna melt.
Oh yeah.
The dog, I can see the dog like
I
jumping.
see your ears, yeah.
I can just see her jumping.
Yeah.
Have the
Oh,
goggles
look at
are-
that. My eyes don't burn anymore.
Well, I was in
Yeah,
that
but the
photo.
rest of your face will.
And
Your
my
hair will
hands.
be gone.
Okay, that's a good
eyebrows.
spot. That's a
Yeah.
good spot right there. Ow! Ow, I got it! Now I'll
Dang
throw it
it.
over there.
Okay, well, it's a good spot now.
Is it still recording?
Hey, there it is. Yeah, it is.
Got a lot of
You want me to stop it?
No, don't stop it.
To
This is
know.
going on YouTube and I'm gonna make tons of money. There. How about that?
Oh, there it is. It's finally
Oh,
rested
wait,
in
actually-
a good spot.
Actually.
Tuck it in there.
If you, yeah.
Oh, look at that. And look, now, this will fit inside this hole. So now, bam, look at that.
You want me to stop recording yet?
Nah.
Oh, there you go. That's a good spot right there.
Oh, no.
Dude, leave it there.
Oh, I gotta get it in farther. Let me see these. Ow.
If you want a good hot spot on the other side,
Oh,
there you go.
see that?
You're in.
And now I have to wait like
Here you
10
go.
hours because this fire's not hot enough.
You want me to stop this?
Yeah, you can stop it.
That was Jared's first blacksmithing job.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and favorite and subscribe.
And don't use hot dog tongs. Bye.